Good morning. I am Arvind Kumar Jha, science teacher, Jnana Bharati Public School, Lakshmi Sagar. Today I am going to explain about how to represent root 5 on the number line for class 9th. Here, first of all, you have to observe how to represent root 5 on the number line. First of all, we draw a number line as x dash and x as a horizontal axis, and let O is its origin, and in the left or right two sides, left right side we can indicate positive numbers, and left side we can represent indicate negative numbers. So we have to represent root 5. Let 0 origin point and the O to A is 1 and 2, 1 unit from here to there, and 1 unit next, 1 unit from here to there. So the total O to A, OA is known as 2 unit, and we draw, let OA, and we draw a perpendicular line AB upon OX. AB perpendicular on OA, and let AB is equal to 1 unit. So OAB, triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Now we have to determine the length of OB. So OB is equal to root under OA square plus AB square is equal to 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to root 5. So the length of OB becomes root 5. Now if we suppose O is the center and OB is radius, and then draw an arc on x-axis. So it will touch on A dash, and A dash represent root 5. A dash represent root 5. In this way, we can represent root 5 on the number line, and so many irrational numbers as root 2, root 3, root 7, so on can be represented on the number line in this way. So we have, if we want to need, you can note down it. Next, the second, I have to represent root under 8.47 on number line. For this, we have to represent this number root under 8.47 on number line. Next, we have to draw a line on the board or on the paper, and if we assume A here and A to B, let AB is equal to 8.47 AB, 8.47, and take 1 unit B to C, and BC is equal to 1 unit. Hence, we have to bisect AC. Now, bisect AC and obtain O and obtain O as midpoint. अब यहाँ से O A से AC ये डिस्टेंस है, ये हमने लिया, AB लिया था 8.47 और B से BC लिया 1 यूनिट. अब A to C ये जो लेंथ है इसको बाइसेक्ट किया. बाइसेक्टर का जो पॉइंट हुआ, बाइसेक्टिंग पॉइंट जो हुआ वह A है, O है, और O को मिड पॉइंट माना. अब टेकिंग है द OA एज ए और OC, OA is equal to OC as R. सपोज AO या OA और OC को R माना और इसको लेकर के एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉन कर दिया. ये ड्रॉ किया सेमी सर्कल और ये सेंटर हो गया. अब यहाँ से B पर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन किया. ये परपेंडिकुलर हुआ, 90 डिग्री यहाँ बना दिया, और 90 डिग्री बनाने के बाद ये परपेंडिकुलर हो गया. इसको सपोज किया जो ये D है, जहाँ पर ये टच किया सेमी सर्कल के सरकमफरेंस को, ये टच किया, इसको सपोज किया D, ये BD एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन हो गया. अब इसको यदि कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो इसको ये लेंथ रूट अंडर 8.47 होगा आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन. ये रूट अंडर 8.47, एंड इफ वी ड्रॉ taking BD as radius and draw an arc, supposing center O, center B, if we draw, then we obtain here on the x-axis as a root under 8.47. In this way, you can draw root under 8.47 on the number line as a number, real number. Next, I shall try to expense on exponent. We can observe it next day. Thank you.